Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Liz and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. Today I am sharing with you how I made this adorable and affordable Christmas wreath. So the actual wreath I picked up from Walmart and it was only $9.99, and then everything else, all of the floral picks and the little ornaments that I'm using are all from the Dollar Tree. So I started out with this cute hanging ornament that says believe, and I just hung it in the middle, and then I took random floral stems that I liked and just placed them throughout, no particular order. I tried to spread out the red flowers since those really pop. I didn't put any of those like too close together, so I spread those out, and then the gold picks, the berries, and everything else, the pine cones, I just put wherever I wanted until I thought it looked cute. And this was seriously probably $20 to make this whole entire thing, and it looks so good. It looks professional. It looks like it costed way more money, and it was super easy and a lot of fun. So yeah, definitely try it out. Once you get everything placed where you want it and all fluffed up, turn the wreath around, and you can just use your wire cutters and cut out all the extra stems that are poking out, and then you are ready to hang it up. So this is what it looked like hanging up on my door. I seriously am obsessed. I love it. I want to make another one. It was so much fun. It was so cheap. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys tomorrow on Life with Liz. Bye!